Okay, so this last problem that we're going to do, it does look a little intimidating, but I promise, guys, it's not. This is Mr. Howard's pool, his pool house, the sidewalk. He wants to buy sod for the lawn that's shown in gray, and I need to know how much sod he needs to buy. What I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to figure out what is going to be the area of the entire surface. Then I'm going to find out the area of each of these different things, which they already gave me the area for the yard, for the pool house. The sidewalk is a really easy way to multiply that, because 3 yards times 1 yard is going to be 3 yards squared, so we know that that one's already. All I need to do is multiply these to figure out what the area of the pool would be. I can add it all up and then I can subtract it. So let's go ahead and start off with what is the area of the lawn. And so when I do the area, I'm going to do 24 1/2 times 24 1/2. Okay, so when I do 24 times 24, and this is actually really nice, guys, because when I do 24 times 1/2, I actually already have 2 answers there. So first I need to do 24 times 24. Four times 2, sorry, I was thinking differently, is 8 and 4. Okay, so this is going to be 576 yards squared. Okay, 24 times 1/2, so 24 times 1/2 equals 24 halves, or 24 divided by 2, which is actually going to be 12 yards squared. Same thing here, 12 yards squared. And then 1/2 times 1/2 is going to be 1/4. Okay, so it's 1/4 yards squared. Nice thing is, guys, on this one, all I have to do is 576 plus 12 plus 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry the 1. So he needs 604 yards squared of sod. But now I need to figure this out. So I know the pool house is 16 yards. I know that the sidewalk is 3 yards. I need to figure out how much the pool is. So I'm going to do 2.5 times 7.5. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my model so I see this. And I'm going to do 2 1/2. And I'm going to multiply it by 7 1/2. So 7 times 2 is going to be 14 yards squared. I've got 7 times 1/2. So 7 times 1/2 equals 7 halves, or 3 1/2. Okay, so it's 3 1/2 yards squared. 2 times 1/2, so 2 times 1/2 equals 2 halves, or 1 yard squared. And then 1/2 times 1/2, which I already know from up here, is 1/4 of a yard. Okay, so then what I'm going to need to do is I need to add these all up. So I have 14 plus 3 1/2 plus 1 plus 1/4. Now, to be able to add these all up, I need to convert this into fours. So I'm going to do 14 plus 2/4 plus 1 plus 1/4. So I'm going to get 14 plus 14 plus 1, oh, I forgot my 3 here. 14 plus 3 is 17, plus 1 is 18 3/4. So that's what the pool is. But I need to add the 3 yards for the sidewalk, and I need to add the 16 yards for that pool house, okay? So when I add this all together, I know I'm going to have that 3/4. I've got 8, 17, carry the 1, 1, 2, 3. So the total area that we don't need sod for is this 37 3/4 of a yard squared. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 600 1/4 and I'm going to subtract 37 3/4. Okay, but here's the thing, I can't subtract 1 minus 3. So what I have to do is I have to borrow. So I'm going to turn this into 599. And remember, when I did that, I borrowed 4/4. So now I've got 5/4 minus 37 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to do 599 minus 37. 7 is 2, is 6, 5. So it's 562. 5 minus 3 is going to be 2/4. Or when I write this out, he only needs 562.5 yards of sod. Okay, it is a lot of work, but guys, it's pretty simple if you just do all of the different steps and get all the information recorded and written down what you need.